Hi there guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic guys.
Yes,
Today's video is inspired guys by a video of which we recently made where we were talking about those that are holding paper, silver and gold.
Yes guys,
That would they ever get delivered. So this video is inspired by that.
Yeah,
but it's slightly different today.
Yeah, which country that have the most amount of gold?
Yeah. According to the stats guys, they mentioned that US holds number 1, German number 2, Italy number 3, France, Russia and China. Those are the leaders guys, and so on. There are many others below, but it showed, the stats guys showed that US is the majority holder of gold.
Yeah guys, and I wonder if they do really hold the physical silver or the paper silver. Yeah, because the stats doesn't explain.
No, it's just a number, like crypto numbers.
The crypto numbers.
So we're just wondering if that gold that is like putting them there
in the top
as number 1 gold holders, is it the physical or is it paper gold? Have you ever seen that gold, or I don't know,
storage
stored somewhere in the safe, showing it, maybe going into the safe,
or
pulling out the bar, documenting it. So as the number 1 guys, so we were curious because they lead the other countries like way too much. So we're like wondering whether is it physical or paper gold, but time will tell. We don't know guys, but the day that we really find out which country holds physical, not paper gold, that's the day where the manipulation will end and the precious metals would skyrocket.
Because I think some countries are not disclosing, so that's why we don't really know which country. The one that disclosed, with the one that we know about. What about those ones that didn't disclose how much gold they have?
Holding the physical, because that's the only way we'll know these days guys. It's too much manipulation. We're not against anything, but we just feel that it's enough. Enough is enough guys. Manipulation has been going for so long guys
in the market.
So I think it's gonna go back to the days where the country that holds the most amount of gold and silver
will rule the world.
Will be the world state. So I think it's gonna go back to that. I'm not too sure, just
it's our just assumptions.
We're just assuming that the country that holds the most will be the leader. There's a number guys, not a fake. It's just toning perfectly, just nice, the way I like it. The Geiger guy is one of the popular. Most people like Geiger guys. So I don't know, we will see, because things are happening fast, and we've been saying that things are going to happen now. That is the time.
We'll be singing.
Yes. Today is the day where we will see
how things turned out. But I think guys, the most important thing that we can sing now is to buy gold and silver while we can. Not
just gold and silver, physical. Physical guys. So that's a magic word.
That's a magic word.
As such, always say, if you don't hold it,
you don't own it.
If you don't hold it like this and show it on the camera, you don't even have one.
That's true.
You don't have one.
That's true.
If you're holding paper silver, guys, I'm saying it again, chances of you getting the delivery are slim. We are not financial advice, guys. It's just a talk over the internet. But if you don't hold it, you don't own it. That's a slogan we've been preaching. Saj has been preaching it as well. So that's it.
God silver.
Yeah, you got silver.
Yeah, guys,
guys.
it's getting tougher, guys.
Yeah,
we must prepare. Yeah, we really must prepare ourselves for what's coming.
And don't forget the food as well, guys. We have videos talking about that, so you don't wanna stress much on that now, because
or we'll talk about it in some other videos, and see how it is before and now, just to compare how it is now and before. While we were talking about preparation of food, we never know
what has changed. But main one, buy God's money, physical God's money, not the paper.
Okay, no, not at all.
Guys, don't forget the like button, guys.
Yes.
And to subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
It tells YouTube another story, guys.
Yes, guys. That you like this type of videos.
Yes, that you have interest.
And comment.
Especially if you have you've reached this far.
Why not? Why are you not subscribing?
Why not subscribe, guys? Okay.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Thanks to our subscribers, guys. Thank you so much.
So much for comments. See you in another video. Yep.
Don't forget to comment.
Yes.
About which country holds the most amount of gold, and do you think that is it physical
or paper
silver gold?
Let's make US to the top.
Which country holds the most? Is it paper silver or physical gold?
All right. Thanks. Bye.